Let's pair your Pierce transmitter to your wireless receiver. When you get your Pierce wireless, or if you're just buying a replacement transmitter, you'll need to get it set up with the batteries. They won't come installed, but they should come with it. You'll see 4 Phillips screws. There should be a number 1 Phillips. Once these are taken apart, you'll see that the enclosure comes out. You'll have 2 AAA batteries that you'll install. It'll be on the keypad side. Once those are put in place, you'll just put the 2 halves back together and screw the 4 screws in, and you're done. You'll see on your receiver, you've got a status light showing that you have power. You'll want to make sure that you remove power from this system. You cannot start your pairing process while there is any power to this receiver. Once you've got your transmitter ready to go, you're going to apply power. As soon as you see this light flashing here, your pairing process is as simple as 1 button. You're going to press and hold this green button for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to see your light go from flashing to solid. Once that happens, you can press the red button to turn everything off, green button to turn it back on, and you will now see your status light showing that you have power. You can now toggle through your functions, and you'll see a corresponding LED showing that everything's working. It's as easy as that. If you have any other questions or if you're having any difficulties with anything, feel free to give us a call, 1-800-658-6301, or you can visit us on our website at piercearrowinc.com.